Want to banish the bone-chilling cold from your garage? Stay tuned, because your perfect electric heater is probably on this list. Today, I'm counting down the 7 best electric garage heaters, starting with more basic models and finishing with true heavy hitters for winter warriors. Each of these has been tested, poked, and prodded for days, and I promise you, there are game changers in here. Whether you've got a tiny workspace or a massive 2-car shop, one of these will set you up with warmth and comfort all year long. Keep watching for one that just might blow you away. Number 7. AEscod NFJ-9. I mean, if you want a solid, simple, no-frills heater that'll keep a small garage or workspace warm for a budget price, this guy definitely has its charm. It cranks out 2 core heat settings, high heat at 1500 watts and low at 750 watts, plus a fan-only mode. The ceramic heating tech means it heats up quick, and the 90-degree adjustable angle makes it super convenient for directing warmth just where you need it, like right under your workbench on those frosty mornings. It's lightweight and compact, tipping the scales at less than 4 pounds. The carrying handle is a nice touch, so you can bring it along for, wherever you're feeling cold next. It's also surprisingly quiet, running under 45 decibels, so you're not trading heat for a jet engine in your ear vibe. But let's be real, there are trade-offs. First off, coverage is minimal, about 160 square feet max. If your garage is anything more than a glorified shed, you'll likely be huddling really close to this thing. The build itself, mainly ABS plastic, feels, well, a bit toy-like. I wouldn't bank on it surviving drops or heavy-duty abuse. The assembly for the base was a little fiddly, and the power cord is only 5 feet long, which sometimes means awkward extension cord gymnastics. It also really shines indoors more than in large open garages, so yeah, not ideal for those cavernous spaces. But for the price and portability, if you just need a little extra heat, it earns a place on this list. Number 6. Dreo DR-HSH003. So, moving on, let's talk about the Dreo DR-HSH003. This heater is like the gadget lover's upgrade from your standard unit. It comes with a programmable digital thermostat, oscillation for better coverage, remote control, all that fun stuff. You get Eco, H1, H2, and H3 modes ranging from 900 watt to 1500 watts, so it's flexible in how much juice you want to use. Now, this thing is designed with safety in mind. It's got tip-over and overheat protection, which is a real peace of mind thing if you sometimes get a little, let's say, distracted working on projects. The controls are refreshingly intuitive, like you don't need to consult a novel to remember how to turn it on. The oscillating function is great if you need to warm up a whole side of your workspace, and it does heat up a room really quickly. Plus, I couldn't help but enjoy the whisper quiet operation, which is perfect for focused tasks or even YouTube binge sessions while you work. But being honest, this isn't exactly the powerhouse you want for larger garages. Its heating range is really modest, more suited for corners and smaller spaces. And well, the oscillation is not memory equipped, so you have to manually recenter it each time. Not a deal breaker, but just a bit annoying. The timer, too, only operates in hour increments, not ideal if you're gone for a bit and want more granularity. Still, for tech-focused folks in small rooms, the Dreo's polish can't go unnoticed. Number 5. Ken Brown B8K41H5B. Alright, number 5 is the Ken Brown B08K41H5B. And wow, at this point, things start getting serious. This is a ceiling or wall-mounted beast, pushing out up to 5,000 watts. The fan force design means you feel the heat nearly instantly. No more shivering while you work on your car. What really makes this unit shine is its robust metal casing and rugged build, which, finally feels like something built for a garage, not a bedroom. The dual knob controls offer a satisfying, almost old-school vibe, and you can select between 3 power levels: 3,000 watts, 4,000 watts, or 5,000 watts, which makes it flexible whether you're heating a small workshop or a more substantial 2-car garage. The installation, though, is definitely not plug-and-play. You'll need basic wiring knowledge or to call an electrician, especially for anything over the 3,000 watt mark. But once installed, it's like a mini furnace overhead. I did notice that the fan can be a bit on the noisier side at full power, sort of an industrial hum, but for a busy workspace, it's the kind of power noises you expect. Most importantly, the safety features, overheat cutoff, etc., are all there. If you want to step up from portable heaters and are handy with tools, this is where you seriously start warming up to winter. 4. InoKraft MH-E7500. At number 4, I present the InoKraft MH-E7500, and this one feels like a slice of luxury for the garage. Imagine heating a massive 750 square foot space, quickly, quietly, and with digital precision. This 7,500 watt fan-forced heater is hardwired into a 240 volt line, so yeah, you're in pro territory now. Setup is, well, not the easiest, definitely a job for the pros if you're not comfortable with electrical work. But once mounted on the wall or ceiling, it frees up precious floor space. The remote control is a revelation. You don't even need to climb a ladder to adjust settings, and the digital thermostat is laser precise. The 12-hour programmable timer and built-in eco mode not only deliver comfort, but help you save on the electric bill, since the unit intelligently cycles to maintain your target temperature. The adjustable louvers and 5-angle mounting options mean warmth gets distributed right where you need it, and you can set it for set and forget operation. The level of quiet, around 60 dB, is way better than some older systems I've tried. It's almost easy to forget it's running until you realize, suddenly, you're not shivering anymore. And the auto fan delay keeps things efficient by cooling the element after shutdown. Downsides? The install is technical, for sure, and the upfront cost is higher. But the performance? Chef's kiss. For a high-end hands-free garage heating experience, InoKraft has it dialed in. 3. TEMPWARE T7500ER. Alright, now it's about to get toasty. The TEMPWARE TW7500ER is another powerhouse in this league, and after testing, I gotta say, it impresses a lot. This is a ceiling mount, fan-forced heater that outputs a whopping 7,500 watts of heat, perfect for larger garages or workshops, think 2-car sizes or even more. There's a lot to like. The rapid heat up, you'll literally feel the temp start to rise within minutes. The remote control so you don't have to climb a ladder, again, and the digital thermostat, which is super accurate. After 30 minutes, I watched as this thing knocked off the winter chill and raised the room temperature an easy 10 degrees, even with poor insulation. The strong fan pushes that hot air to every corner, so no more cold pockets lurking in the far corner of your shop. And it's safety first, with overheat protection baked in. The only real critique I had was the fan is on the noisy side compared to InoKraft, especially set to max. Plus, installation requires hardwiring skills or an electrician. Still, for performance to value, TEMPWARE gives some of the high-dollar brands a run for their money, especially if you crave straightforward, powerful heat. Number 2. EUHOMY GH7500. Almost at the top, and we've got the EUHOMY GH7500. This one, wow. I mean, if you need raw heating power and flexibility, pay attention. It offers 2 selectable power settings, 5,000 watt or 7,500 watt, meaning it's as energy-friendly or as beastly as your space requires. It heats up spaces between 800 and 1,500 square feet rapidly, making it ideal for pretty much any garage, shop, or large hobby site. One thing that really stood out was the air management. Adjustable louvers and mounting options mean you get directed, customizable heat where you need it, not just a generic blast into the room. Another highlight? Installation safety and quality. It's ETL certified with auto shutoff functions to prevent overheating, and the robust steel build means this thing will probably outlast your next 2 vehicles. The thermostat ranges from 50 grease fairy to 95 grease fairies, so whether you just want to take the edge off or basically create a tropical oasis, you're set. You do need to hardwire it, no plug and play, and you'll have to source a heavy copper wire. There's no power cord included. A certified electrician is 100% recommended, but once up and running, it's pretty set and forget. Frankly, if you want to invest in a top-notch garage heater, EUHOMY is a strong contender for last heater you ever buy. 1. HSH J03E. Drumroll, please. At number 1, it's the HICFM HSH J3E. So if you need your garage heated fast, up to 600 square feet or more, this is the one to beat. The 5600-watt output blasts heat through your workspace with authority, and it's all packed in a heavy-duty steel frame that reassures you every single time you bump into it by mistake. 2 heat settings let you pick your efficiency or power, and the integrated thermostat gives you tight control. The kicker? This unit is flexible, portable if needed, but serious enough for wall or ceiling mounting. The 6-foot cord means you have some leeway with placement, and the sturdy thermostat lets you set it and forget it. In my testing, it heated even vaguely insulated workshops in record time, keeping things comfortable without sweating the details. The fan operation is efficient and not too loud, and the overall package just feels industrial, like you're getting genuine shop-grade equipment. Plus, those nifty 3D flames? Not essential for heat, but man, do they look good. There's honestly not much to complain about. Maybe I'd ask for a remote, and for the largest of garages, you might want to supplement it. But for a single or 2-car garage, HICFM Shag J3E is tough to top. Efficiency, build quality, and output, this is the heater you'll show off to your neighbors with pride. Final thought. So there you have it, 7 electric garage heaters that cover every possible need and budget. If you want to stop shivering and start creating, tinkering, or just living comfortably in your garage all winter, pick any from this list and you'll be ready for whatever Mother Nature throws your way. Think I missed your favorite? Drop your recommendations in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tested gear rundowns. Stay warm.